Hi and welcome back to the channel, and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to fix Nvidia Reflex grayed out in Apex Legends. So make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss an important step or information. And without further ado, let's get on it. So the first fix that you can do is to update your graphics card drivers. So make sure that your graphics card drivers are up to date, and you can download the latest version or latest drivers from the manufacturer's website. So to do that, go to the website of your graphics card manufacturer, whether it be Nvidia, AMD, and more. So download the latest graphics card drivers from your specific model and operating system. And then after that, just install the drivers and make sure to restart your computer after that. And the next what you can do is to enable Nvidia Reflex in the game settings. So to do that, open Apex Legends and go to the video settings, and then scroll down to the advanced video session or section, and then enable the Nvidia reflection option and just save the settings and restart the game. And then lastly, what you can do is to disable the DirectX 12. So if you're using DirectX 12, you can try switching to the DirectX 11. So some players have reported that NVIDIA Reflex doesn't work with DirectX 12. So to do that, open the Apex Legends and then go to the video settings again and scroll down to the advanced video section. And then just disable the DirectX 12 option and just save the settings and then just restart the game. And so that's it for this video. Remember, you can always pause this video, go back to the video, and follow the steps at your own time. So I hope this helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.